Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up the 86 Trans Am 5 liter tune port. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Oh, I know that did work. I might have a bulb out, I suppose. Horn works. Wipers work. There's all your gauges working. There's your radio. There's the fan kicking in. There's your window up and down. Lock and unlock. Turn the lights on and let's take a listen to the engine. Like I said, this is a 60,000 mile car. One family owned. You can see the AC compressors kicking in. I mean, just original under the hood, hasn't been cleaned or nothing. Kind of showing you how it was. Wiped off a little bit there, but just showing you the dust. So this would be kind of what you call a barn find. I bought it out of a storage shed. This had been sitting for quite a few years. 605-695-7391.